Hey guys, we are doing a complete decluttering, whatever you want to call it. It's going to go over several days because I can't possibly take on this huge decluttering thing in just one day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's CrystyleCouture here. If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. We do all things fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle here. We are getting into this mess. You know, I moved a few times. I've got way more stuff than I had before. So it's time to really look at everything and what do I want, what do I not want, what kind of fits my vibe and my style now. So I want to start off with something small, the accessories, shoes, and just some other things around the house that I'm trying to get rid of. I am really looking at things. Do I really like it? Do I not like it? Is it something I'm going to wear for the next couple of days? And I don't know, some other things, because I'm trying to get rid of a lot of stuff. I will be linking my Poshmark if anybody ever want to check some of those things out. You can get them on there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification that you're the first to know whenever I put new videos up on the channel. That really helps us a lot. If you have a friend that would be interested in any of this content, share it with a friend, share it with a friend. As we're going through this video of different items, let me know in the comments below how you feel about certain items. Right now, we're just kind of sorting through things and kind of getting a pile that we're going to get rid of as we go. There are the shoes, especially those two clear shoes. I don't know what I was thinking. I can't wear clear shoes. I just don't like them. They're not really for me. They're not my vibe. And those pink shoes, they're really cute, but I just can't walk in them. Point blank period. Can't walk in them. Those mules were really cute. However, I went to this strange stage where, I don't know, I thought my foot was a bigger size than it was because somebody measured me wrong. I don't know. It was crazy. I bought a couple shoes that were too big. Like those gold shoes there. That's the same idea of the clear shoe that is, it's just not for me. Well, the shoes and purses are pretty much done. Now, my sneakers, I've went through and I've got about 6 boxes that I'm still thinking about selling. I haven't decided because my sneakers hold a little bit of a dear place in my heart, so it's always hard to get rid of them, especially because now to get sneakers, especially the good ones that come out, no longer about how much money you have. It's about whether you win the draw, whether you win the lottery, whether you're at the store at the right time, when they're dropping them. There's so many variables now, but I'm unsure still. So I need a little bit more time to decide on those shoes. We're cleaning the closet, we're cleaning everything. Just trying to get rid of stuff that I know I'm not going to use or utilize. Well, of course, while I was looking for bags, I found 3 that I couldn't remember what they were or what I had. So this is the first one. And yes, I covered them with pillowcases. Those that don't come with dust bags. So, oh, it is a Coach like messenger. Ooh, I forgot all about this bag. I couldn't even tell you how old it was. But ooh, I like the straps. Got a thick strap. Brand new, has never been used. Oh yeah, we gotta add this one. We definitely gotta add this one to the rotation because she is cute. She is cute. She is navy blue. I don't know if the color is showing up on the camera, but she is navy blue with silver hardware. You know, I love gold hardware, but sometimes, you know, silver's good too. Here's the second goodie. It kind of feels like a big bundle, so it must be something big. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's a backpack. Can't even get it out. Oh, because I put all the tissue. You know, I was trying to preserve it, I guess. It's really cute. Look at the colors. It is cream, blue, a little bit of purple, a little bit of navy at the bottom. It's kind of getting smashed down there, so I need to hang it up. The straps are really cute. They are canvas, and they are purple and pink and blue and like olive color. Let's see, can you see? Yes, look at that. Very nice. It's got gold hardware. Oh my, it's pretty big. Oh, this thing's huge. I might see me traveling with this more often. I like this. We got the tags on it. Of course, it's leather. Another find. This one, I actually know what this one is because when I got it from the top of the closet, it fell down. Came out the packet because it's just in a little outfitter's bag. This is an oldie and a goodie. It's an old Coach bag. It was like my version of the Louis Vuitton Sweetie that I bought. It must be at least 10 years old, maybe more than that, because I remember buying this thinking, you know, I'll try this first or I get like my Speedy 35 and see how I feel about carrying, you know, like this type of bag. I actually like this type of bag though, so I need to carry this more. I don't know, it was the rouging for me. You know, it just made it look different. It's gray. Hopefully that comes up. Silver hardware. And I'm sure it has a strap in here because I pad all my bag and then I put the straps in here. So I'm sure there's one in here somewhere. But I don't think the straps are really big. Yeah. See, little small gray strap. Silver. That is all the gems that I found when I was cleaning out the purses. Oh, so this is my active wear. We need to go through this and see if we can calm this down a little bit. Don't forget to comment below and let me know what are your favorite workout brand clothing. And let's go ahead and get started with this pile. A lot of these clothes I've had for some time now. To be honest, some things are just like, I can be okay living my life without these clothes ever touching my body again. But the funny thing about going through your clothes is that I'm really loose, I guess is the word to say, about giving away clothes like this. Ooh. I like this. Clothes like activewear, athleisure. Because to me, the technology in those clothes change over time. The dry fit gets better. The moisture technology, getting the moisture from your body, gets better. They wash better. They wear better over time. Look at that. Dawn Staley t-shirt from the Dawn Staley camp. My daughter went to that camp. So I am very loose when it comes down to giving away those type of clothes. However, the other clothes, especially with all the thrifting that I do, yeah, I'm not about giving away clothes anymore, because watching these huge thrift events, the prices of old clothes that I know I once had go up significantly is a big deal. And I don't even want to throw anything away. I have so many patients and I tell them, don't throw away anything. Okay, don't throw away anything. If it doesn't fit you, get rid of it. But if it still fits you and you just don't want to wear it anymore, pack it up, throw some mothballs in a nice sealed container. Ooh, I like this. And put it up, attic, under your bed, wherever, because those things are gonna come back in style. And then you're gonna be running around like me in vintage stores trying to find all of these old things that you had before, overpaying for them and being very frustrated. So talk about my piles. So these are basically like, you know, long sleeve cover-ups things. Those three are new. I practically just got those. I have no clue why this is in this pile. That looks like, yeah, it's a thrifted shirt. I don't even know why it's there. This is stuff I'm, you know, giving away and getting rid of. And these are leggings I guess I will keep. Long leggings, short leggings, and then shirts I'll consider keeping. Little bras like this I've never worn. This is actually from the Carrie Underwood collection and Dick's. Have you guys tried that one? Those clothes are so soft and I love the way they fit and they feel really good on, and when I work out on them they don't ride up, they don't feel like I'm suffocating. I really like her collection at Dick's. You know, she did a good job with that. Now some of this other stuff though, I can really go probably a lifetime before I ever put these leggings back on my body, or these. You know it's always bad when the kids say things like, oh mommy, you always wear those leggings. Thanks for telling me. When they're really saying, man, you putting those leggings on again? I've got to do some divide and conquer when it comes down to some of these. Oh, I like these little short ones. The oldie but a goodie, they have that. They're cutouts. They're really cute. These Ivy Park ones that I got years ago that I have yet to wear. Probably because they're a little small.
Listen to them, just follow the light, you're almost there, just open your eyes, it's right there, just follow the light, you're almost there, just open your eyes, it's right there, don't be afraid, be strong.
Here we are. Here's the final pile. This is a pair of shorts that one of the girls will be wearing as compression shorts underneath their uniforms. Couple of tops. These are just little jackets. I like both of these sets, and I'm actually shocked I did not, you know, like wear this set yet. We're not really there yet to where we just walk around in our sports bra and the leggings. We're not there yet. We're not there yet here. This is the final that I'm going to keep, but I feel pretty good getting rid of those. Kind of starting over, you know. Definitely, again, don't forget to put in the comment section what are your top brands that you'd like to wear when you're working out, your athleisure brands. You know, I know there's a lot of black owned ones that I'm missing. I don't think any of this is going to Poshmark. This will probably be going to Goodwill, not Poshmark. Well, I feel like this has been pretty productive. I'm getting a lot done. I'm getting rid of, like I said, more accessories, workout clothes, pajamas, no main pieces, denim, blazers, none of that. So I'm really feeling like we're making progress. I think I have 2 containers left. One I know for sure has clothes in it, and I'm not sure what's in the other container. I need to go through and figure out what I'm doing with those pieces. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, and those notifications so you know when I'm posting new videos.